Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the incredible world of chamomile tea. In this video, we uncover the secrets, benefits, and techniques for using chamomile tea to enhance relaxation and promote overall wellness. Chamomile tea has been cherished for centuries due to its remarkable properties. It is known to have soothing effects, aid in digestion, improve sleep quality, boost the immune system, and even promote healthy skin. Join us as we take you on a journey through the endless possibilities of chamomile tea. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or simply curious about the wonders of chamomile, this video is a must-watch. We'll share expert tips, personal experiences, and exciting research findings to help you harness the full potential of chamomile tea. So sit back, grab a warm cup of chamomile tea, and prepare to be amazed by the relaxation and wellness benefits that await you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on chamomile tea and beyond. Chamomile tea benefits and properties. Chamomile and chamomile tea are increasingly being used in North America and European countries. Since ancient times, when someone had digestive problems or insomnia, chamomile tea, or chamomile infusion, was prescribed for them. In this video, we are going to explain the characteristics and benefits of chamomile and chamomile tea. Properties of chamomile and the benefits of chamomile tea. What is chamomile? Chamomile is a popular medicinal herb for health. Chamomile has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to improve sleep and digestive function. Chamomile tea is caffeine-free, has a pleasant taste, and contains many antioxidants that are beneficial for health, including in various diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases. The properties of chamomile extract and chamomile tea have become known worldwide. Chamomile in modern science. Impact of chamomile on improving sleep quality. Since ancient times, the ability of chamomile tea to promote relaxation, treat insomnia, and improve sleep has been confirmed, and modern science has also confirmed it. Apigenin, an antioxidant present in chamomile, binds to certain receptors in the brain, promoting sleep and reduce insomnia, and enhances the feeling of relaxation in individuals. In addition to this characteristic, it helps reduce depression caused by lack of sleep. Improvement of digestive function. Scientific studies have shown that chamomile can reduce nausea, inflammation, and subsequently, control diarrhea. Also, drinking a cup of chamomile tea before each meal increases gastric juice secretion, improves digestion, and prevents bloating. Chamomile benefits for the stomach. Chamomile helps improve stomach ulcers and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the stomach and digestive system. Cancer prevention. The antioxidant content of chamomile, especially apigenin, can have a preventive role against certain cancers, including breast cancer, skin cancer, prostate cancer, uterine cancer, endometrial and cervical, and gastrointestinal cancers. It can also fight cancer cells. Scientists have also found that chamomile tea can have a protective role against thyroid gland cancer. Blood sugar regulation. Chamomile antioxidants prevent the destruction and damage of pancreatic cells, which are responsible for insulin secretion and blood sugar control. Studies on diabetics have shown that chamomile tea can reduce fasting blood sugar and average blood sugar levels in the long term. Chamomile can also reduce the rapid increase in blood sugar after meals. Chamomile benefits for the skin. Direct application of chamomile on the skin has beneficial effects. Chamomile is effective in treating breast skin ulcers, heel cracks, bacterial skin diseases, and eczema. Furthermore, chamomile is used for treating or preventing mouth ulcers caused by chemotherapy or radiotherapy, and it is also useful for treating peristomal skin lesions in intestinal patients. Chamomile and blood pressure. The flavonoids present in chamomile have a beneficial effect on blood pressure and also reduce cholesterol levels. These two factors reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Chamomile and weight loss. New evidence suggests that chamomile may have a positive effect on weight loss. Chamomile tea has been found to have a mild diuretic effect, which can help reduce water retention and bloating. Additionally, chamomile tea can promote digestion and regulate metabolism, which may indirectly contribute to weight management. However, it's important to note that chamomile alone is not a magic solution for weight loss and should be combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects on the body. These compounds can help reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and support the immune system. Regular consumption of chamomile tea may be beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Stress and anxiety relief. Chamomile tea has long been known for its calming properties. The antioxidants present in chamomile can help reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve overall mental well-being. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can also help with sleep quality and insomnia. Respiratory health. Chamomile tea is often used to soothe respiratory conditions such as colds, coughs, and bronchitis. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of chamomile can help alleviate symptoms and support respiratory health. Digestive health. Chamomile tea is widely recognized for its digestive benefits. It can help soothe an upset stomach, relieve indigestion, reduce gas and bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Chamomile tea is often recommended for individuals with gastrointestinal issues or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Skincare. Chamomile is known for its skin-soothing properties. It can be used topically to alleviate skin irritations, reduce redness, and promote wound healing. Chamomile extracts are commonly found in skincare products due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's important to note that while chamomile and chamomile tea have numerous potential benefits, Individual results may vary. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating chamomile into your routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications that may interact with chamomile. Keep in mind that chamomile is a versatile herb that offers various potential health benefits. Whether consumed as chamomile tea or applied topically, chamomile can support sleep, digestion, skin health, and overall well-being. Enjoying a warm cup of chamomile tea can be a soothing and pleasant way to experience the potential benefits of this wonderful herb. Thanks for watching.